Greetings, folks. Well, today I want to do a quick wet shaving tip, trick, and hack. This is not what you think. This is what you think. This is a vintage blade bank. These were all the rave in the 1930s. The only problem with these is they were disposable. But late 1930s, 36, 37, you would find these Art Deco frogs. Very cool, very collectible. Unfortunately, a lot of them were thrown out because, again, once it's packed with blades, you had to toss it. Enter my Reboot. Here it is, folks. This is the Art Deco frog 2.0, if you will. I decided to add a little rubber stopper on the bottom. So once it's full, you can remove the blades, put them in something else, and then toss them, recycle them, just, take care of them responsibly. But that was my little innovation with it. But this is the frog. And now, if you notice, there's only one slight difference here. This has the black base, which, you do or don't need. But if you want to go for that same feeling, this is a little arts and crafts segment for you. And first of all, this is what you're going to need. Okay. Now with the masking, obviously, I'm going to do this really quick. I'm not going to do an entire paint job here, but you just want to mask it off. Simple as that, and these are straight lines. And this is the thing, is back in the day they were doing this. Someone was hand painting these, so it's not really the best job in the world because it didn't belong to them. This is one of thousands they had to hand paint. This, however, is yours. So you can do a kick-ass job because it's the only one you have to do, and it's yours, so you want to put some time and energy into it. So take your time with this. And as long as you keep the lines straight with the masking, doesn't matter what the top of the tape does. And so I'm not going to mask all the way around it, but simple as that. Then you would take one of the brushes, choose which one works for you. You might probably already have some paintbrushes if you have children especially. That and testers, good old-fashioned testers, black enamel paint is what I use. I've always used this. If you've ever collected anything when you were younger, baseball cards, comics, inside those shops, they were always selling testers. Or maybe you did Dungeons and Dragons and you need to paint your little figurines. Same exact process. And just take your time with this. Paint along the border and then let it dry. This is how I would let it dry. Right inside the tape. Just like that. And that's it, folks. A really quick tip, trick, and hack when it comes to making your vintage blade bank look more, well, like the original. And that's that. This is Douglas Smythe from PhoenixShaving.com. I'll catch you guys later, and shave on.